Hello viewers, you're watching PubliC TV English. We bring you the major updates today. PM Modi and Spanish President Pedro Sanchez jointly inaugurated the Tata-Aircraft complex for manufacturing C-295 aircraft at the Tata Advanced Systems Limited campus in Vadodara on Monday. Modi and Sanchez participated in a roadshow in Vadodara before the inauguration. They witnessed cultural performances and greeted people during their roadshow. During the Vadodara roadshow, the two leaders paused to meet differently abled artist Diya Gosai, a student from MS University who was eagerly waiting along the route with her artwork. Both leaders stepped out of their open jeeps to greet Divya and she happily presented the painting. The Directorate of Enforcement on Monday conducted searches at 9 locations in Bengaluru, Mandya, Mysuru and Mangaluru in connection with the MUDA-linked money laundering case, sources said. The searches were underway at the premises of a builder in JP Nagar among other private individuals. The move comes within a week of the agency summoning 6 employees associated with the MUDA for questioning. The employees were summoned in connection with the high-profile alleged scam on different dates for interrogation, which will take place at the ED's zonal office at Shantinagar in Bengaluru. Those summoned have also been instructed to bring several documents related to the case. Investigators from ED are focused on uncovering evidence and documents linked to CM Sidramaiah and several officials associated with him. BMTC has been honored with the prestigious award of Excellence in Urban Transport in the category of City with Best Record of Public Involvement in Transport. BMRCL has been honored with prestigious award of Excellence in Urban Transport in the category of the Best Metro Rail with the Best Multimodal Integration at the Urban Mobility India Conference held in Gandhinagar. The award was presented by Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. PM Narendra Modi commended Bengaluru South MP Tejasvi Surya for achieving feat that the Ironman 70.3 challenge in Goa. The PM affirmed hope that this will inspire more youngsters to pursue fitness-related activities. Tejasvi Surya completed the 3 legs of the competition in 8 hours, 27 minutes and 32 seconds. The Ironman 70.3 challenge included 2 km of swimming, 90 km of cycling and 21 km of racing. Surya expressed happiness on achieving the feat and said he prepared rigorously for the competition. He said the inspiration itself goes back to the Fit India initiative kick-started by PM Modi, which helped him reflect on fitness goals. Iran Supreme Leader Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei's new account on social media platform X has been suspended just after 2 posts. The 85-year-old leader had posted 2 messages on X in Hebrew before the Elon Musk-owned messaging platform suspended his account. The move came after Israel attacked Iran on Saturday.